Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna open this up. This is the product that Born Pretty sent it to me to do the review. They're very kind of them and I love them all. So let's get started and open them up. And here's all the item that come that when they send me, and I really love how their packaging is really nice and they pack them really good, so you don't have to worry about they leaking out when they were transferred in the mail. So the first one is the reflection gel, and this is the color I used today. I really love how this color look, absolutely beautiful, especially in the flashlight. And the second one is the cat eye gel, and this color is actually really fall and I really love it. As you can see right here, I'm using the magnetic stick to show you the different way that you can do the cat eye, just to see how they are look, and they're absolutely beautiful. I love it when I kind of use it to activate the cat eye, the magnet on the whole nail, and make the nail so much shinier. It also look really beautiful under the flashlight, and I love to look at them under the sunlight. The sunlight is the best way you can play around with the cat eye gel. So the next color is this is just a regular, but it's a glitter and it's so beautiful. I love this red glitter. And right here you can see I try to see if it's a cat eye, but it's not. It's just a regular gel glitter, but it's really beautiful. So then the next color is another glitter, but it's in the pot and it's come with a bigger glitter, like a chunky glitter. So it give a lot of texture. So if I would use this one, I probably gonna use it underneath and do encapsulate on top, because if I would just brush it on top like a gel polish, it will leave a lot of texture, but it's really beautiful. And the last item they sent it to me is the matte top coat. So I have some color right here I already have on the stick. I'm just gonna applying it and cure the nail, and here how I look like. And I really love how it turned out, because it turned out super matte. And here is the closer look of all the color that I have, and they are beautiful. It was so hard for me to pick which one I want, but then I picked the green one. So the first thing I do is just push back my cuticle and making sure everything pushing back. I haven't do my right hand for a little while, and today I'm using my non-dominant hand. So I have a plenty of cuticle to push back. So I do on all the nail and use this cuticle bit to clean out the cuticle and also push them more back. And I actually really like this one because they clean the cuticle really well. And so because I work with my non-dominant hand, so I'm making sure that I have them on reverse so I can able to use it correctly. And I do the rest of the nail the same thing. And if you are working on non-dominant hand like me, I really recommend to you like a stand, something for you to put your hand on, and that actually help a lot for you to able to control, especially the e-file. So the next thing I do is to use a hand file to buff my natural nail to take off the natural shine, and I like to use it just a hand file. It's easier than the e-file. After that, I'm just applying some nail primer, and today I'm using this one from Enailcouture. And today I'm using a card base coat to applying on all of the nail in a really thin layer, and I'm making sure I won't flood it on the cuticle. So when we do it correctly, the nail won't lip and they will last longer. And today I'm using this nail from Enailcouture. It's a full cover nail tip and they make out of gel, and this one in the shape almond, but this is a active one, which is the shortest one that they carry, and I really love this one. And I also gonna use this DIY gel from Enailcouture, and I really love this gel lately, and I tend to use it especially with non-dominant hand. It's a really easy way to do nail, because this DIY gel, when you place them on the nail, somehow they are stay in place for like 5 to 6 seconds, then you can have the time to place your hand in the line to cure the nail. And I know most of my video they are long nail, because on my left hand I usually wear my nail longer, but for my right hand I prefer shorter length, or most of the time I don't really wear nails on my right hand, which is everybody always think it's kind of funny, especially if my clients see my nail and they were like, oh, they look nice, but then when they look at my right hand I have nothing on it. Yeah, it's a little bit, you know, weird for other people, but that's just how I roll, because I do everything with my right hand. So if I have the nail, I will have them shorter, easier to work with and do things with it. So after I do the nail on all of my nails, I'm just gonna shave them really fast. What I love about this is that the shape is already there. I just file off a little bit of the little number on the bottom. You know, when they do the nail, they take them out of the form, they have that little things right there, and I just shape them a little bit. There's not much to do. And I'm also gonna use some e-file with the smooth like the really smooth one, the nail bit, to file around the cuticle area, just to smooth them out and make them more natural. So when we apply the gel polish, they are look nice and smooth right there. And I'll go ahead and do the same thing to the rest of the nail. So when I do use the e-file with my non-dominant hand, I usually like to use my ring finger or my middle finger to hold the finger that I'm file, just to have something to hold on to so I can able to control it easier. So I hope that will help if you are doing the nail on yourself and using non-dominant hand. So after I file the nail, I'm just gonna buffer my nails, and the way I do, I just hold the buffer and use my right hand to rub on the buffer. That will be easier to control. And here how the nail look like after being buff. So now I'm just gonna apply the gel polish, and today I'm using this green one. Is the reflection gel, and I really love this color, because I do own like not a lot of reflection gel, but I do have maybe 15 of them, and most of them, there's a lot of them, they look absolutely beautiful under the flashlight, but in the sunlight or like a normal, you know, when you looked at it, they are not as glittery at the regular glitter. So, you know, usually I do like them, but it's not like super glittery. But this green, it's actually really beautiful, even in the flashlight or without the flashlight. So I really love it, and it's perfect for fall, you know, winter time, like more when the weather get cold, because they tend to kind of like dark. So at first I wanted to do this cat eye gel on the ring finger, just to have like an accent nail, but I just figured this color doesn't go well together. This two color, it doesn't really look good together. So after that, I just remove that color and applying the same color on the ring finger. And here's I do the second coat, and I don't know about you, but me, I really enjoy to look at the nail in the flashlight like this while I'm painting it. Something about it make it really fun. So this middle finger and the index finger, I'm gonna apply some of this gold foil from Enailcouture just to give it a little bit something like a design, because if you know me, I'm not super simple when it comes to my nails. So even it was all glitter, it will look beautiful just like that by itself. I just want to do a little bit something to make it a little bit more fun. So I go ahead and do that just across the nail, just to give it a little gold, you know, on top of the green. Actually really beautiful. So at first I wanted to use this red to make like a dripping nail design, but then after I done it, it kind of gave me the vibe of Christmas on this nail, and that is not what I'm looking for here. So after I did it, I actually took them off. And then also the red on top of the green, it doesn't stand out that much, but in the flashlight it actually looked pretty cute. But then, you know, I didn't want to do Christmas nail right now or anything like that, so I'm gonna remove it later on. So the thumb and the pinky, I just want to place some rhinestone, so I'm gonna use this rhinestone today, and I'm just gonna keep them pretty simple because the nail pretty short, so I don't want it to have so much rhinestone. So the thumb, I'm just gonna place like 3 big one and 3 little one across down, and the pinky, I just do really simple rhinestone around the cuticle. So how everybody doing? I hope you guys doing well. The weather getting cold, so I know a lot of people can get sick right now, so be safe everyone. Keep yourself warm and drink medicine right away when you're starting to feel sick, so it won't get too bad. Me, you know, my nose getting stuffy a little bit because the weather changing, and I get allergy, so it's been a little hard for me for the past week. And I also kind of twist my ankle while I walk, so right now I cannot walk. I'm kind of a little crippled right now, so that's why I haven't able to do anything, and I haven't able to post a video up. You know, thank you guys for waiting for me, and now I can actually just, you know, editing the video and post it up for you guys. Yeah, so just, you know, be careful out there guys when you walk, because for me, I never realized how important my ankle until right now. I got injured and I couldn't walk, I couldn't do nothing. I have to rely on my husband to help me move around, even go to the restroom, and to me that's kind of tough. So yeah, you know, if you guys wear high heel, that's even harder, you know, to control when you walk. So just be careful, okay? Don't be like me. I'm a kind of a little clumsy, so yeah, I hurt myself so bad. I just hope I get better soon so I can come back to normal and, you know, get doing my things, what I have to do, and uploading the video for you guys. So after, you see, I just do the gold on top of the red, but then I didn't really like that gold color for some reason, so I'm changing my mind again, and I'm using chrome this time. So I just applying some non-white top coat and rub some gold chrome on top. This one I use it from Enailcouture, and after I rub them on my ring finger, I just use some of non-white top coat and drawing that dripping design, and then I put the nail to the lamp and cure them. So after the nail cure, I just use some alcohol wipe to wipe off the excess of the chrome, and whatever that being cured is gonna be the design. And I actually really like how this one turned out. They look like, you know, like gold drip. So yeah, it's actually better because I have the gold foil, so now the design is also gold, so they kind of go together better. I just wish that I would use the gold rhinestone, but it's already too late. I don't want to take them out. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with the result. So I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope you guys like some, like, you know, smaller medium length nails, something more casual and easier to do things with, and it still look really cute. And here's how the end turned out. And thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys have a great day and be safe. Take care of yourself. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.